time for
Tech Tips with Sarah.
Thanks everyone for joining us today. Hey there, Sarah. So I don't know about you, but I spend 7 to 9 hours a day staring at my computer screen. And we want to know, what can we do in Microsoft Office to help ease that eye strain?
That's a great question. I'm like you. I spend a lot of time on my screen looking at my Microsoft Outlook or Word or Excel or just other applications. And the cool thing is that Microsoft has the ability for you to lessen that eye strain with what they call color schemes. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm just going to share my screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about here.
Excellent.
And I'm going to take you right into Microsoft Outlook. Now, you can actually set these color schemes in any of the applications. They're all going to be available to you under your File tab and then Options. So I'll go to Options in the lower left corner here, and I'll see my Outlook options. On all of your Word, Outlook, Excel, PowerPoint applications, when you go into your settings, under the General tab, you're going to see an option for Office Theme. And they've got different color schemes that you can use. So this one, by default, is colorful. It is nice, but it is a very bright screen when you're looking at it, bright background. And if you're looking at that, it's pretty intensive on your eyes. So there's a few color schemes you can choose from. And I recommend that you try to break your way into this or break yourself into looking at these different color schemes. For example, dark gray, if I click OK, you can see that dark background is now replacing, or a darker background is replacing that white background. So it's a little less straining on your eyes. Takes a little getting used to, but like I say, you just kind of work your way into these different themes. I just jumped right into the black color scheme Office theme not too long ago. And you can see it's a huge contrast when you're looking at this. And I'll just show you two options that we have here. Now, when I look at it, it's very dark, but it is so easier on my eyes to be able to see this information. Now, when I do this, and if I happen to compose a new message, which you're going to see right over here, it does still show the white background in my Outlook message. And if you like that, that's fine. But you can actually change that setting as well. So for example, I'll click on my File tab again, go back to Options. And then when I'm in that black Office theme, this option to never change the message background color appears. I'm going to uncheck that because when I compose a new message, I do want it to have that dark background because I'm composing emails a lot during the day. Now you'll notice that when you changed it here in Office, if I were to go to Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, they're going to have that color theme as well. So it applies to the entire Office application for you. Now, if you don't like it, you can always switch back and change different options if you want to. But this is a great way, small step that you can use to help reduce your eye strain.
I love it. Thank you, Sarah, for that tech tip. We hope you found this video helpful. If you've got a question for Sarah, please contact her at connect@sarahdelnick.com.